Vinaka YouTubers, I feel like doing this video about Fiji because actually I'm not in Fiji right now, actually missing home. So I'm here with a sister. I'm actually gonna ask like general questions about Fiji, and okay, basically 5 questions about Fiji, and let's see how well she does, and what she think about Fiji or Fijians. No, general question about Fiji. So
my glass
she'll introduce herself. There you go. So what's your name and where you from?
Oh, hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm from Solomon.
Okay, Solomon. So basically we're here in the land of the rising sun in Japan.
Actually,
Yeah. Yeah, it's the land of the rising sun. Japan is known as that. So this is one lake and that's one active volcanic mountain. So are you ready for this question and answer about Fiji?
Fiji.
Yeah, about Fiji. Okay. What's the capital of Fiji?
Suva.
Okay. What's the main sport Fiji's playing? Yeah.
Rugby.
Rugby, okay.
Sevens. Rugby sevens.
Rugby sevens, okay. Name one well-known rugby sevens player in Fiji.
Oh man, I forgot. The captain.
Yeah.
What's his name?
I'm asking a
I forgot
question.
the name. It's Fijian.
Okay, there are lots of. Okay, Fijian.
Why something? Yeah.
Oh, why something? So that's like a 0.5. So you got 2.5. 2.5. Yeah. 2 more questions to go.
Okay.
Okay. What?
Why level or?
Soy level. You know what's soy level? That's like river or big water or something.
But his name sounds like that.
Okay.
Why level? Why vaka
Okay, it's
level?
Waisale.
Why level?
Serevi.
Oh,
Okay, she Waisale Serevi. Okay, but doesn't change your point. You still have like you scored 2.5, but not 2 more questions to go.
okay.
Okay. Three Fijian language or Itauke language and their meaning. Yeah.
What?
Three Fijian language, like a word or something, and its meaning. And their meaning.
Vinaka.
Meaning?
Vinaka.
Vinaka is
Good.
what? Good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Bula.
Okay. Bula is what?
Hello.
Okay, correct.
Yandra. Morning.
Yeah, right. Yeah, good morning. Okay, last one. Last one. Yeah.
This
Yeah, that's actually that's just one point. I mean,
Second.
that's yeah.
okay.
Three questions for fourth. I mean, fourth question like 3
Oh, okay.
parts or whatever. So okay, lastly, who is the Prime Minister of Fiji?
No. The Prime Minister is
He's like he'll be the president for the COP23. You should know this. You want a clue?
yeah.
Bye.
Bye ni Marama.
Oh yeah, you got it. So thank you. So your total score is
100 out of 100.
no, it's 4.5. This is like a 0.5 there. Okay. Okay. General statement about Fiji. Have you been to Fiji?
Yes.
How do you like about Fiji?
Fiji is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Nice
Okay.
people.
Nice people.
Very friendly.
Any negative thing about Fiji?
Lots of do you call these people on the streets? Beggars.
Oh, lots of beggars. Okay, lots of beggars and
But they are
street
friendly.
kids. They're
Yeah.
friendly.
Yeah.
No. They'll be like choking you. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for.
And, lots
Okay.
of gays.
Lots of gay. Oh, I'm sorry. sorry, gay community out there, but she doesn't mean it, but
Yeah.
that's her opinion, so don't be offended by that.
Yeah, don't offend.
Don't be offended by that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Say what? We are-
What's the name of this place?
they don't want to know about this place, but we are in Japan,
In Japan, yeah.
in Hokkaido,
In Sapporo.
Sapporo, near Sapporo, the main capital of Japan. So, anyways, say goodbye in Fijian. Just to complete the point. Meka, thank you, and more. My name,
More.
More viewers.